So it's finally here. This thing unloaded and in the shop. So my client brought me in this 1960s, I think it's 1960s Mustang. We've already done 2 cars for him. We did his Bronco Raptor and then we did his Volvo. Those projects came out super clean. And on his Bronco Raptor, we wrapped it in like a matte frost blue from Avery. We're gonna be doing the same thing on this car. So he pointed out a couple little problem areas that he wanted me to touch on. We're gonna be sanding out this little area just to get that smooth. A little bit of sanding around here. Then also we're gonna be doing the door jambs on this one. I'm gonna cover as much red as possible. Without further delay, let's get right into it. Alright y'all, day 2, back in to finish up this classic right here. Got the front end already wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the sides, the roof probably today, and then the back on the 3rd day. So let's get right into it. All right, so finally finished up the Mustang. It was definitely a challenge, but nonetheless, we got it done. Just in time too, because we're actually gonna be doing a fade wrap. Our boys Chargers out here, that's the one we're gonna be doing next. And then right after that, we have another BMW coming in for a purple wrap. And then after that is the GT4. So if you like content like this, then go ahead and give me a like, comment, and subscribe so the algorithm can help push out more videos like this. And I'll keep knocking these cars out for you guys.